Want to fix NFL Sunday Ticket buffering on YouTube TV? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, check your internet speed. NFL Sunday Ticket requires a strong connection, at least 15 Mbps for HD and 25 Mbps for 4K. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try switching to a wired connection or moving closer to your router. Next, clear the cache on your device. For that, you want to head over to your settings, then tap on Apps. Now find YouTube TV, tap Storage, and then tap on Clear Cache. If you are using a web browser, open the web browser, tap on the three dots, then select Delete Browsing Data, then select Delete Data option. If you're still lagging, lower the video quality. In the YouTube TV player, tap the gear icon, go to quality and set it to 720p or auto. This reduces buffering during peak hours. Also make sure no one in your household is hogging the bandwidth with downloads or other streams. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.